Smile, you're on candid camera.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Very interesting.
very interesting. Okay.
So you can record on that.
Yeah, it's recording it right now.
Really?
Yeah,
Huh.
you're being recorded.
So where were we?
I don't remember.
We need to take some acid and go higher. Right? And then go, I see it now in the third hour of my trip that everything is just fucking all right now. Oh, I let go of so much stuff, you know. I laughed for an hour, you know, and I made it this far. And I know the fourth hour is going to be really juicy now. I'll put it all together. It'll all come together. And it does at the peak. And then when you come crashing down, you go, but wait, I'm coming down now. I see it. Oh no!